Just another tip on whole house water filtration. We get phone calls all the time saying, what is the difference between just softening the water and whole house filtration? Some companies try and make whole house filtration all in one tank, and there's mixed beds or different layers inside the tank. I don't believe that's a good idea at all, because sometimes the layers will go bad, and to try and separate them and get them out of the tank is very, very expensive. If you're going to do whole house filtration and you're interested in that, we would recommend a separate tank. So the water would come from the city or wherever, possibly go through a whole house carbon filter, similar to this, what this looks like, and then through the water softener, and then inside the house. This will remove chlorine and some other chemicals that are found in the water. But it's very easy for us to come out and change this out instead of going inside the water softener. We have an exchange tank program where you could call us every 3, 4, 5 years, and we just come on out, unscrew the head, bring out a new tank, slide it on in, and within 15 minutes you're back up and running, which keeps the cost very economical for you. The other thing some people do, and we offer also, is whole house filtration with a cartridge. So again, the water from the city would come into this, it would flow through. We have cartridge systems that will remove chlorine and some other heavy metals that could be found in the water. And this cartridge, depending on water flow and how much water your family uses, needs to be replaced every 2 to 4 years also. And it's simple. Comes in, slides back in, the other one gets thrown away, and that's all there is to it. So you have options, but we believe that keeping part of the filtration out of the water softener is the way to go, and leaving the water softener just to do what it is supposed to do, which is soften the water. So you've got many options. Just reach out to us, give us a call, and we can walk you through all of this. Thank you.